Good morning students, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Money. Today's learning objectives are: first, to convert paise into rupees. Second, to convert rupees into paise. Our first question is to convert 5 paise into rupees. Here we are going to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit. Therefore, we will follow SPD rule. SPD rule means whenever we have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, we have to divide. As we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Hence, in this question, we have to divide 5 by 100 to convert it into rupees. We get 5 upon 100. Now we will convert it into decimal form and we get rupees 0.05 as the answer. Always remember to convert paise into rupees, put decimal point after 2 digits from the right. Our next question is to convert 1563 paise into rupees. We know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. By applying SPD rule, we will divide 1563 by 100 and we get rupees 1563 upon 100. By converting it into decimal form, we get the answer rupees 15.63. Now we are going to convert rupees 0.09 into paise. Here we will follow BSM rule, which means whenever we have to convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, we have to multiply. We know that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. By applying BSM rule, here we will multiply 0.09 by 100. 0.09 will become 9 upon 100 in fractions. We will cancel 100 by 100 using cancellation method. And we get the answer 9 paise. Always remember that when you convert rupees into paise, shift decimal point to 2 places to the right. Let's practice another question to convert rupees 70.80 into paise. First step is to write relation, that is rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. In the second step, multiply 70.80 by 100. Here also we will convert 70.80 into fractions, that is 7080 upon 100, and after cancelling 100 by 100 we get 7080 paise as the answer. Our next question is in mixed fractions, that is rupees 3 1 by 10. After writing the relation, that is rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise, first we will segregate the whole part and the fractional part. Here whole part is 3 and fractional part is 1 by 10. Now we will separately convert rupees 3 and rupees 1 by 10 into paise. We get 300 paise for rupees 3 and 10 paise for rupees 1 by 10. After adding 310 paise, we will get 310 paise as the answer. I hope you understood all the topics taught today. Practice the questions. Thank you.